Hi everyone, my name is Tawfiq. I am a native Amharic speaker from Ethiopia. I am also fluent in Arabic, which allow me to effectively teach and communicate with students from diverse backgrounds. Are you planning a trip to Ethiopia? Whether you are visiting the historical sites of Lalibela or exploring the vibrant streets of Addis Ababa, I have got you covered. I will teach you the essential process, local etiquette, and cultural tips you need to navigate our beautiful country with confidence. Currently, I am a computer science student. This career has taught me exceptional patience and the ability to simplify complex concepts, qualities I bring directly into my Amharic lessons. Whether you are a beginner or looking to improve your conversation, I offer a supportive environment tailored to your goals. Can't wait this start beautiful journey with you. Book you listen today. ሰላም፣ ስሜ ቶፊቅ ይባላል። የምኖረው ኢትዮጵያ ሲሆን አማርኛ የአፍ መፍቻ ቋንቋዬ ነው። በተጨማሪም አረብኛ ቋንቋ እናገራለሁ። ወደ ኢትዮጵያ ለመምጣት ላሰባችሁ እንዲሁም ከኢትዮጵያ ውጭ ለምትኖሩ ወላጆች ልጆቻችሁ ባህላቸውን እንዳይረሱ አማርኛ ቋንቋን እንዲማሩ ለማገዝ ዝግጁ ነኝ። ባለኝ የማስተማር ልምድ እናንተንም ልጆቻችሁንም አማርኛ ቋንቋን ለማስተማር በመቻሌ እጅግ በጣም ደስተኛ ነኝ። ክፍል ውስጥ እንገናኝ። አመሰግናለሁ።